Welcome, Justice Kajju. You have made the news again. You are on in every newspaper, on every internet website for offering Bihar to Pakistan as a package deal to Kashmiris. Some people have also said, why didn't he offer himself also to go with Bihar?
This was just a joke, and people must develop a sense of humor. Do you think I will seriously mean it when I say that along with Kashmir, Bihar will also be given away? Do you think it is possible?
No.
Any person with the slightest common sense will understand it's a joke, and people should have the capacity to realize that I am joking.
But you've already said that 90% of people are fools in India. So if you know that then 90% are fools, you have established that fact. Going by that fact, then you shouldn't have put a post which 90% will not understand.
Listen, I normally say serious things, but occasionally I also crack jokes. For example, I'm a Brahmin, and I crack jokes on Brahmins. I said, ब्राह्मण 60 साल की उम्र तक पोंगा रहता है और उसके बाद सठिया जाता है. A Brahmin till 60 is a fool, and after that he becomes senile.
That's not a joke, that's the truth.
I'm 70 years of age, so I've cracked about Bengalis, this is pulling their legs. I said, Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore ने कहा, ए माँ जननी तुम्ही 6 करोड़ बंगाली पैदा करेछो किंतु एक भी मानुष नहीं पैदा करेछो.
Okay, now tell us a Sardaji joke.
अब सरदारजी जोक तो भाई सुप्रीम कोर्ट केस चल रहा है, मुझ पे ऊपर केस चल जाएगा. If you want to hear, I can tell you.
Yeah, I want to hear, but they haven't passed a judgment yet.
Well, once Sardaji received an invitation for a dinner, and in the invitation card it was mentioned pink tie only. So when Sardaji reached the party, he found that there were people wearing shirts and pants also.
Any jokes about Kashmiris, since you are Kashmiri?
अब कश्मीरियों के बारे में भाई वो तो बड़ा फेमस है. अव्वल अफगान, दोयम कम्बो, सोयम बज़ात कश्मीरी.
Explain that.
It's in Persian कि if you have a choice of going near a cobra and going near a Kashmiri, then go near the cobra, avoid the Kashmiri.
That's not funny. That's said about so many communities. Tell a funny joke about the Kashmiris. You haven't been there in how many years?
कश्मीरी के भाई देखिए एक जोक थी कि पहले महाराजा का रूल होता था, तो जो आर्मी होती थी कश्मीरी आर्मी, उसमें कश्मीरी नहीं होते थे, उसमें डोगरा सिख वगैरह होते थे. तो एक बार महाराजा साहब ने डिसाइड किया कि भाई अब कश्मीरियों को भी भर्ती करो, रिक्रूट सम कश्मीरीज इनटू द आर्मी. तो एक कश्मीरी रेजिमेंट बनाई उन्होंने. तो बन तो गई कश्मीरी रेजिमेंट, but when they were given orders to march to the front to face the enemy, the Kashmiri soldier said, sir, we will only go if we are provided security.
Okay, that's a good one.
These are all jokes. I mean, now should Kashmiris file a case of defamation against me or sedition against? I mean, what is this?
No, but now let's get serious.
And I apologize also. I thought that since, although I said it as a joke, some people thought otherwise. I said, all right, since you're feeling the hurt, I apologize.